Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're on a Series 1 Defender, one of the 2 litre petrol ones. It is that one just there. Today we're just going to see if we can fire it up. It's been sat stationary, not turned a cylinder in anger in about 50-ish years, something like that. So the engine's been rebuilt, let's see if we can fire it up. Right, so what we have here is a bastardised setup, like we did with the V8. We have the hillbilly throttle with the twine cable. We've got the electrical pump pumping some fuel, and we've got that plumbed straight into the fuel intake and the carburettor. We don't have any cooling system on it at the moment. The radiator is off to go and get re-cored, but all we're trying to do here is just get it to fire up, and then we're going to immediately shut it down, so it's not going to cook or anything like that. We've refurbished the starter motor down there. We're just trying to set the timing with the dizzy, and then we'll see if we'll fire.
Stop. Yeah, that's why. Forcing it back up through the carb. So close. Give it a flick, Dave. That's one. Almost. Give it a shoot. Okay, that'll do. So I think we need to retard it a bit. Put a little bit of fuel, Dave. I think it just needs a bit. Retard it a little bit more. Almost there. Feel me, Dave. Too far.
briefly that was running.
Fuel. Like. Fuel.
Okay, so however briefly that was running on its own. And I think the problem is now, where those two fuel pipes connect, we bypassed it and put the electric fuel pump on, and we think it was giving it a bit too much and it was flooding the bowl. Now the reason why we did that in the first place is because we think the SU fuel pump has gone US. So what we're going to do is have a look into either rebuilding this or replacing it. We're going to throw that pump on and fill the fuel tank back in, fill it full of fuel, and fire it up to see what happens.
Several days later.
So yeah, she runs, and for a 66-year-old engine, she's running very smooth. I mean, for now, we've got just the air ducting for from the air filter into the carb, just to protect from any water splashes, because we do have a little leak just there that we'll sort out another time. And we have sort of bastardised the fuel system as well, using gravity to our advantage. We've not yet installed the fuel tank, but like I said, for a 66-year-old engine, that is running very well indeed. I'll take that for a win. Okay, so this is just a bit of a one-off video really. We're not really doing much on the Series One. It's almost rebuilt really. It's been fully rebuilt from the ground up. It was a rotten shell. But we've got it running, and I hope you enjoyed that one. So, you know the rules, usual sort of stuff. Instagram at the bottom, and I'll see you in the next one.